Hello everyone, welcome to cyberspace. Hope you all are doing good. Uh, Today's video is very little, and I will show you almost 170 profile backlinks websites list. Here I have, so I I will copy and paste the Google Sheets link, and you can very easily use it. There are almost 170 profile backlinks list, and all the links are active. So check the description box and copy the link and use it. So thank you. And there are almost there are two types of links or profile backlinks here. One type of is social profile, and one type is and another type is wiki profile. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.